So for my final drawing, I saw these two. So this was a very, very pretty dress, if I'm honest, but it did remind me a bit too much of sailing due to the fact that this was a white top and then this was a navy blue layered skirt. Again, like the other page, it is a two-in-one dress, but what's different is the overall design basically. So this here is more like an over the shoulder top, but she had it slightly too high in my opinion. I think that it could really do with a blue belt here, just to really bring it in at her waist and show off her figure a bit more. I love the skirt though. The skirt was so pretty, it was great. Um, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that one. Now, this outfit down here was a very casual look. Now, I could easily make this one of the images which I have for my before the premiere. So she had an oversized yellow knitted jumper. It was really comfy. Well, it looked comfy at least. And I wish that I had it, if I'm honest, especially for the winter. Um, yeah, so it looked really nice that. And she was just wearing plain black leggings, which looked very relaxed, nothing too strenuous, but I think it definitely made the difference. And I think that this would be nice to recreate because a lot of people do have these sorts of clothes. So yeah, that makes the last one.